Ayun no, akala ninyo sa C5 lang at saka sa EDSA may traffic. Dito rin sa Cebu, meron din sila niyan. Ayan no. Ayan no. Tama, Vince? Tama?
Akala nyo kayo lang may...
Akala nyo, kayo lang ha. Meron din dito sa Cebu traffic. Okay. Papakainin kami itong si Kingsway. Samahan nyo kami. Pusin natin tonight to. Diba? So let's have dinner and then rest and then tomorrow again. Mga ka-Wedgie, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Okay mga ka-Wedgie. Hindi pa pala tapos yung gabi namin. Punta kami dito sa Tops. Okay na ang Tops ha. So everyone who wants to come here, Tops. Ayun no.
One of the best tourist destination in Cebu.
Right now.
Yep.
Last time I was here, hindi pa ganito to. Ayun no. Ayun, Tops. The Circle. So marami na siyang restaurant. Nice ha? This is nice. So what did they change?
Sa taas eto lang. Yung parang may mga kainan na talaga.
Ayun, so lahat yan restaurants na. Oo nga no, ganda. Naayos nila no?
Nice.
For people not in Cebu or not from Cebu, Embro means Emilio Osmeña. Yeah?
Yes. Former governor of Cebu.
Basically si Lito yon. He runs for vice president of Fidel Ramos. Do you know? I'm a PROMD.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know that the secretary, when we ran for senator in 2020, under the banner of PROMD. Yeah. Pare, kaya mahal namin ang Cebu.
There you go. Welcome to Cebu.
To our friend, Vincent Yap. When you come here, look for Vincent.
Vincent's gonna hide.
And Vincent's gonna hide. Okay. So here, it's a little bit dark, pero from Tops, mga ka-Wedgie, you can see the whole of Cebu. There you go. That's the whole of Cebu. There. May sabihin ka?
Woo! Okay.
When you go to Cebu, come to Tops. Inayos nila. You will be amazed. Yan ang itsura niya ngayon at night. The man from Cebu. Woo! Okay mga ka-Wedgie. Okay, so talaga ngayon, good night na. First night, overnight lang naman kami ni Mo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Tomorrow, a little bit of adventure. But for now, we will be sleeping. At maaga kami nagising, 2:30 in the morning. Sa mga subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyo.